Can't find the password change option in Otter.ai? Learn the exact menu path to update your password in under 2 minutes. We'll go from the home page to your profile, then to account settings and general, where you'll edit and confirm your new password. Go to the home page. Click the profile icon. From there, select Account Settings. Click General at the top bar. Once you're there, hit the Edit button. Now, click on the Password field. Then enter your current password. Go ahead and enter your new password. Retype it to confirm your new password. Finally, click Update, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.